What's going on, everybody? It is Brandy and I am back with another video. So before we get started with today's video, I just wanted to say thank you to everyone who did click that subscribe button. We are 40 more subscribers to 1,000. And I also wanted to say that I decided to kind of not put so much pressure on myself. Last year, 2017, I put a lot of pressure on myself. And today actually marks the second day of my vacation. Today is Tuesday, January 30th, and I am feeling so much better. I notice sometimes when you just have so much that you want to do or goals that you want to accomplish, you can really put a lot of pressure on yourself, and that is good to be a goal getter and to go for it, but there's also a time to know that when the right time happens, and in time, if you keep trying at something, it will work out. So that's what I decided to do with my YouTube channel. I've never made $1 from it, so it's not gonna hurt if I'm on February 17th, when that change kicks in. If I'm not a YouTube partner anymore, I will make the best of it. And yeah, I've just decided to just let things be how they are, and things always work out in the end. So, like this video, please do click that subscribe button. I look forward to having you as a part of this family. And I love you guys, so I just want to say thank you. So while I'm on vacation, so I can finally get to a few of these items that I've had stored away that I haven't had a chance to try. And the first thing on the list is these lashes. So we have the Ardell. These are the Ardell Magnetic Lashes. So I'm going to be honest, the lashes that I have absolutely been loving by Ardell are these. Now these are the 110. So the Ardell 110s are very natural. When I wear these lashes, I mean, these have been my go-to. So one day I will show you guys these. But today we're gonna be trying out the Ardell, the 110. So we're gonna see if we can put these magnetic lashes on and see how they look. So let's give it a try. So we're gonna get straight into the video. All right, so first thing is first, when you open up the lash, it's like a sticky thing in there. They feel soft. They feel like the other ones. This is what they look like when you, I don't see, don't want to lose it. Maybe I'll bring it a little closer. Put it up on top there. Hopefully you can see. Can you guys see? I hope so. So I'm gonna try to put it as close. Okay. As I can. I don't know. Oh. Alright. Well, there's certainly.
Again. What happened was this side was not. Okay. Let's see if I can. Let me just put that there. So I'm trying it now to where. Alright. First time. Alright, not too bad, not too bad. I'm gonna find the lash. I want it to do. Okay. Alright, so we try to.
Okay, that's not too bad, actually. Look at that. It's kind of coming apart. I just can't see. Alright, I want this. So you guys, what I'm trying to do, put the magnet, if you can see how, be on this side. Okay, there you go. If you can see. I'm trying to get the magnet further in. So there's the first one. The first one's on. Oh, no, we're gonna put them both on. So let's get the other one on. Start with okay.
Right.
A lot harder to put on this side.
Okay, let me take it out a little bit.
All right, it's not on yet, but you can kind of see. Then I just felt like a press. It is them. What I'm gonna do is maybe like brush it or something. Ooh. Okay. Looks like it needs to be down this way more. Like this. Definitely think that the lash should be down this way more, but overall, we're just gonna keep it how it is. Okay, let's see, how's it look? You know what? Well, let's remove them. So it says you're supposed to just like slide them. Huh? All right, so for removing, I just took it, grabbed the one underneath. Oh, you know what? Maybe if I comb it into place, will that work? Let's try that. Let's try holding it on here. I like the length. All right. And here are the final results. Let me know what you guys see. Oh, if you saw me out in public, you've seen this. The only problem is when I'm looking like out of this eye, I can see like something. You know how when you look out your eye, you can see, so I can feel something's there. You can see it. On this one, it's not as bad, but there's a magnet here, here, and it's like shiny, so there's something reflecting. There's a magnet here and here. But I'm just trying to test out these lashes and see if we like them. I think overall, I would give these out of a 10. These lashes are about a 5 or a 6 in my book. They're not super terrible. They're not amazingly great, but I will say in Ardell's defense, try these. These are the Ardell 110. Will I wear these or am I gonna take them back? They were about $13, $14. Are they worth it? No, not at all. The Ardell Naturals are about $3.47. These, you are that person who absolutely cannot wear lashes because of the lash glue, then you may as well give these a try. But as far as for the particulars of a person who wears lashes, it was a lot harder to put on. Lifting on the side here, that's how far the band is. It does go to the shape of my eye. I guess the best thing I would say is they are not terrible. They look okay from far away. I don't know. Anyways, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I just wanted to review the Ardell Magnetic Lashes. I've always wanted to try those lashes, and now we know. We'll see. Yeah, so love you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.